Skip the takeout tonight. This sticky honey sesame chicken is packed with flavor and ready in under 40 minutes. Start by seasoning the chicken thighs with salt and pepper, then coat every piece evenly in cornstarch for that irresistible crispy coating. While the chicken rests, let's make the sauce. Add the minced garlic, followed by the ground ginger and toasted sesame oil. Pour in the oyster sauce, soy sauce, ketchup, and honey to build that perfect balance of sweet and savory. Finish with the chicken stock and rice vinegar, then whisk everything together until smooth. You'll find the full recipe with all the ingredients and measurements in the description below, or simply click the card above. Heat a large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat with a little vegetable oil. Add the coated chicken and cook for about 8 minutes, turning occasionally until every piece is crispy, golden, and cooked through. Pour the sauce into the same pan and let it gently simmer until it starts to thicken. Add the pre-cooked noodles and toss everything together until every strand is coated in that rich, glossy honey sesame sauce. Finish with sesame seeds and freshly sliced green onions, then serve immediately. Save this recipe for later, and I'll see you in the next one.